It's me again, and apparently Rosie too. She's come in to join us. Still me with my funky lighting. Still working on all that. So I wanted to show you today, I have not used one of these boards yet. This is one of our 9x12 Odette boards. And it's got this nice white surface with the black frame. It's beautiful. And to me, I've seen some pretty awesome things done on these boards. I haven't used one yet myself, like I said. But to me, I've seen, I keep backtracking here. I've seen things of all sorts of colors on this, but this board to me is very classy and screams simple to me. I don't know why, but that's the look that I see on these boards. So they're beautiful. They're beautiful. So, and they come in 3 different sizes. We have one that's bigger than this. I think it's an 18x24, and then one that's a 6x18, so it's long for maybe your words or whatever. So today we are going to use this brand new transfer that I've had for several weeks and haven't used yet, and it's been killing me because I hate getting a transfer and not using it. I always have to use it. So, and I'm crazy. I love the smell of a new transfer. I promise I won't sit down here sniffing on it. Oh boy, I'm kind of a whack job. Okay, so we're gonna do this very simple. And since this is a brand new transfer, has not been used, we're gonna go ahead and fuzz this. I'm trying to see if I have a marker down here. Usually I go through and I mark the back of my backer sheet. I can tell which side goes against the transfer, but sometimes for my classes, the people maybe haven't done this yet and they don't know the difference, so I always mark them. So, and then it's easy too when I'm cleaning in mass quantities to see what goes with what, and so on this one I'd write 1 child on the back. So this one says 1 child, 1 star, 1 night, and I just think it is awesome. And I'm going to do this all just in black because I really, like I said, I just feel like, okay. I just really feel like it's very simple, and I just love the saying, and I don't want it to be anything too overdone. I'm also thinking that I'm going, come on, little stink. I'm going to put it lower to the bottom because I think I want to do a bow up here. So, and you can use this frame, this board, either direction because there's the sawtooth hangers on the vertical or horizontal sides. So let me, knowing me, this has to be perfectly straight. So let's move this around 1,000 times until it's ready to go. Oh, we might be getting a kitty friend in a minute too. Oh my goodness, this is super sticky. So let me try this from this direction. Let's see here. If I can get one. See, I'm being so particular with this, and I don't need to be. So, okay, I've got my corners set. I try not to be so particular, but some days, gosh, I just drive myself crazy. See, and then I went and did that. So, we're going to try that again. Okay. I want the star to be centered. Like I said, I'm just very particular about some things, and some things I just don't care. But this is one of those things obviously I'm particular about. So I'm going to go, and I'm just doing this all in black. So let's talk about this for a second. There's lots of different things you could do. You could do each word a different color. You could do the words all one color and do your accents different colors. I really think that I'm going to just, I'm going to just do this in black. And then I think I'm going to put like a swag or a bow or something up here. So, this video might be a 2-parter because let's just do this and then we'll figure it out. I'm just chatting a lot. So, I think I'm going to do that though. So, all I'm doing, taking my black and pulling it across my silk screen. That's all I'm doing. And it doesn't take hardly any chalk. It's the smallest little bit. I'm just going to draw this across. Get all the extras here and there that I don't need. You could even add glitter to this. That would be super pretty if you like added glitter to the stars or something. I've thought about doing that, but I didn't want to do that on this board. I want to do that on maybe a cheapy board that I find. Oh, and I have black paste all over my hand, so I'm going to have to be really careful when I lift this up. See that? I don't want to get that on my board, even though it would wipe off. I still don't want to have to deal with that. So when you peel your transfer up, you want to go top to bottom, left to right, not corner to corner, or you'll stretch it out. Oh my gosh. Okay, I am in 100% love. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I love this. I think that this transfer is going to get used until there's nothing left. Because, oh my gracious. Yeah, my brain is going crazy with what I could do with this right now. So, look at how simple that was to do that board. And it is beautiful. It's so funny how something that is just one color can be so pretty. Sorry about that bump there. I gotta get a wipe. But it is, I love it. Please let me know what you think in the comments below. What color would you do this? I'm thinking it would be gorgeous in like a midnight blue, like a navy blue. I think I'm going to do that. I love navy and silver together for Christmas. So I think I'm going to find a board. Hold on to that. Let me see for a second here. I don't know if I can get to this right now. I might have to wait. I'll wait, but I have an idea. This also would be beautiful on a pillow. Or on a stocking if you had like a white or there's just so many things you could do with it. On a wall hanging, like a canvas or something wall hanging. Oh my goodness, I love it. Okay, I'll quit gushing. I can't believe I've had this though for like 3 weeks and I haven't used it. Because now it's my new favorite. So, I'm going to do something across the top here. I'm going to decide what that is. And, let this dry, and maybe I'll do a second video on that. I think I will. I think I'll do a second video with that. So, and you're going to see this one often, I can tell you already. I am going to do some other colors, even though I love this. I love the simplicity. So, and look, it's so fast. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'll stop now. When I get excited though, you know how I get. I get a little bit wonky. So, thank you for coming by today and stopping in. Please be sure to subscribe and click the bell because there's lots of more fun stuff coming because Christmas is my favorite. So, there will be lots of Christmas stuff coming. I promise you that. So, okay, have a great day. I'll talk to you later. All right, bye-bye.